I'm Hannah Nohlen. I'm a Policy Analyst at the EU Policy Lab at the European Commission, and I will be a Policy Fellow at the IAS starting in October. At the EU Policy Lab, we work at the intersection between science and policy, and the EU Policy Lab is a collaborative space for innovative policy making. And we have 3 different teams. We have foresight, behavior insights, and design for policy. And as a behavior scientist, I work at the behavior insights part of the EU Policy Lab, the Competence Center on Behavior Insights, CCBI in short. At the CCBI, we use behavior insights to inform EU policy making by identifying behavioral elements in policies and testing behavior levers. So we really take a citizen-focused perspective, because the effectiveness of policies often depends on how citizens or the population perceives these policies and react to them. We work across different policy areas. So we take a horizontal approach. I, for instance, have worked on public health, gender issues, consumer protection, and misinformation. At the IAS, my goal is to explore how times of crises affect susceptibility to misinformation. So what we've seen in the past is that the risk landscape in the EU is changing, with new threats emerging, such as, for example, the COVID-19 pandemic or the war in Ukraine. And during some of these crises, we've seen an influx in misinformation, something the WHO has coined an infodemic. And this makes it difficult for people to find guidance when they need it. So my question is, how do citizens deal with the uncertainty that crisis events create, and how does a potentially increased presence of misinformation affect beliefs and opinions? Susceptibility to misinformation is a complex societal challenge, and my goal is to understand underlying behaviors and find practical solutions. And I look forward to exploring this idea further here at the EIS.